Rio LaCour here, writer-director for Trailer Park of the Living Dead. I just wanted to share this because I'm pretty friggin' excited, and hopefully you guys will be friggin' excited for this too. Those who have been following have saw we've been taking our pre-orders for the new DVD remaster for our movie. That's going to be available June 8th through 10th at the 40th anniversary of Dawn of the Dead at Monroeville Mall. The Living Dead weekend, so if you're going to be there, you look for us. If not, you can always pre-order, but we'll get to that. Anyway, so what we got here is a box. And in this box, ladies and gentlemen, in this box, is something we've been working on for a really long time. And coming to us directly from a really nice and amazing company called Mixonic. Their home offices are based in Seattle, but they've got offices across the country. They are a professional copy house, essentially. When you have things like this, movies, DVDs, home movies, anything from a small job to a big job. These guys were amazing. I want to say a lot of really nice things about Mixonic real quick. Their customer service, totally on point. They've been really awesome with us. Anyway, so this box has more boxes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is real, folks. Here they are. The first copies of the new remaster. And there they are, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. You've been waiting on the pre-order, thinking to yourself, we're just some other schlub little low-budget filmmaker who wants money to make a movie that might never get made. Ladies and gentlemen, this movie exists. It is in my hands. So there you are. Visit us on our event page on Facebook, Trailer Park of the Living Dead. That's L-I-V-E' and the Living Dead. Come to our Facebook page, look up our events. You can get information on the pre-order. Also got information on the Living Dead weekend in Monroeville, which is June 8th through 10th. We're going to have all kinds of more merch coming for this. There's lots of going to be great surprises happening at the event. But here they are. They exist, ladies and gentlemen. I am so stoked. Peace out from the Trailer Park, people. Boom.